Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. From the way we commute to how we receive medical care, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Its influence is growing at an unprecedented rate, reshaping industries and redefining what is possible. From self-driving cars that navigate city streets with ease to advanced AI systems that assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, the applications of AI are vast and varied. These technologies are not just enhancing efficiency, but also opening up new possibilities that were once the realm of science fiction. This technology has the potential to solve complex problems and create a better future. AI-driven innovation is pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve, offering solutions to challenges that have long seemed insurmountable. However, with this immense power comes significant responsibility. The development and deployment of AI must be approached with caution and a deep sense of ethical responsibility. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it is crucial to ensure that it is developed and deployed ethically. This means considering the potential impacts on society and striving to create systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. The ethical implications of AI are far-reaching. They extend beyond the technology itself to touch on fundamental questions about human values and societal norms. They touch upon fundamental questions about fairness, bias, privacy, and accountability. Ensuring that AI systems are designed and implemented in ways that respect these principles is essential. Unethical AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This can have serious consequences, affecting everything from job opportunities to access to services. Therefore, it is imperative to prioritize ethical considerations at every stage of AI development and deployment. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to create a future that is not only technologically advanced, but also just and equitable for all. AI systems learn from the data they are trained on. If this data reflects existing biases, the AI system will likely inherit and perpetuate those biases. For instance, an AI system used for hiring decisions, if trained on biased historical data, might unfairly disadvantage certain demographic groups. This could lead to a reinforcement of existing inequalities. The consequences of unethical AI can be severe. They can range from unfair denials of opportunities to potentially life-altering decisions in healthcare or criminal justice. Inaccurate or biased AI-driven medical diagnoses could result in incorrect treatment, while biased algorithms in the justice system might lead to unfair sentencing. To mitigate the risks of unethical AI, we must adhere to key principles in its development and use. Fairness ensures that AI systems do not discriminate against individuals or groups. Transparency requires that AI systems are understandable and their decision-making processes are clear. Accountability means that there are mechanisms in place to identify and address any negative consequences of AI systems. Privacy must be protected, ensuring that personal data is used responsibly and ethically. A human-centric design approach ensures that AI systems are developed and used in a way that benefits humanity. Sustainability is another crucial aspect, ensuring that AI development and deployment consider its long-term impact on the environment and society. Developing and deploying ethical AI is not without its challenges. As AI technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the ethical considerations surrounding its use become increasingly complex and multifaceted. One significant hurdle is addressing bias in AI systems. Bias can manifest in various forms, from racial and gender biases to socio-economic and cultural biases. Bias can creep into AI systems in numerous ways, from the data used to train them to the algorithms themselves. For instance, if the training data is not representative of the diverse population, the AI system may produce skewed results. Another challenge is ensuring transparency in AI decision-making. Transparency is crucial for building trust and accountability in AI systems. Many AI systems, particularly deep learning models, are complex and opaque, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. This opacity, often referred to as the black box problem, poses significant ethical dilemmas. This lack of transparency can erode trust in AI systems and make it difficult to identify and address potential biases. Users and stakeholders need to have confidence that AI systems are making fair and unbiased decisions. Privacy concerns also abound in the age of AI. With the increasing reliance on AI, the amount of personal data being collected and analyzed has grown exponentially. AI systems often require vast amounts of data to function, raising concerns about the collection, storage, and use of personal information. Ensuring that this data is handled responsibly and ethically is paramount. The potential for misuse of this data is a significant ethical concern. Data breaches and unauthorized access to personal information can have severe consequences for individuals and society as a whole. As we navigate the ethical minefield of AI, it is essential to address these challenges head-on to build a future where AI serves the greater good. Section 5. Putting ethics into action. Addressing the ethical challenges of AI requires a multifaceted approach. It's not just about the technology itself, but also about the people who design, deploy, and interact with these systems. Ethical AI involves a collaborative effort from various stakeholders, including developers, policymakers, and end users. One crucial step is to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse and representative datasets. This means including data from different demographics, cultures, and environments to avoid biases that can lead to unfair outcomes. By doing so, we can create AI systems that are more inclusive and equitable. This can help mitigate bias and ensure that AI systems are fair and equitable for all. Regular audits and evaluations of AI models are essential to identify and correct any biases that may arise over time. Another important strategy is to develop explainable AI or XAI techniques. Explainable AI helps in making the decision-making processes of AI systems more transparent. This transparency is crucial for building trust between humans and AI. XAI aims to make AI decision-making processes more transparent and understandable, allowing humans to better understand and trust AI systems. When people can see how decisions are made, they are more likely to trust and accept the outcomes. Regulatory frameworks play a crucial role in establishing ethical guidelines and standards for AI development and use. These frameworks ensure that AI technologies are developed in a way that respects human rights and societal values. Clear regulations can help ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, protecting individuals and society from potential harm. By setting boundaries and guidelines, we can harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its risks. Section 6. Real-world applications ethics in practice. Numerous organizations and initiatives are working to promote ethical AI development and deployment. IBM's AI Fairness 360 is an open-source toolkit designed to help identify and mitigate bias in AI systems. Google's Explainable AI initiative focuses on developing tools and techniques to make AI systems more transparent and understandable. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, includes provisions relevant to the ethical use of AI, particularly regarding data privacy. OpenAI, a leading AI research organization, is dedicated to ensuring that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, benefits all of humanity. They conduct research and advocate for responsible AI development and deployment. Section 7. Shaping the future of ethical AI. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the ethical considerations surrounding its development and use. We can expect to see stronger regulations and standards emerge to address issues of bias, transparency, and accountability. There is also a growing movement towards using AI for social good. Researchers and developers are exploring how AI can be harnessed to address pressing global challenges, such as climate change, poverty, and disease. Advancements in fairness techniques will continue to emerge, providing developers with better tools to identify and mitigate bias in AI systems. Section 8, A collective responsibility. The ethical development and deployment of AI is not solely the responsibility of technologists or policymakers. It requires a collective effort from all stakeholders, including researchers, developers, policymakers, businesses, and the public. Open dialogue, collaboration, and a shared commitment to ethical principles are essential to ensure that AI benefits humanity. We must work together to create a future where AI is a force for good, promoting fairness, equality, and well-being for all. Section 9. Conclusion towards a just and equitable AI-powered world. The rise of artificial intelligence presents both unprecedented opportunities and significant ethical challenges. As AI increasingly permeates our lives, it is imperative to prioritize ethical considerations at every stage of its development and deployment. By embracing principles of fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and human-centric design, we can harness the power of AI for good, creating a future where AI benefits all of humanity. This is not a task for a select few, but a collective responsibility that demands our attention and action.